To transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Tangem wallet, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to have a Crypto.com account and a Tangem wallet. If you don't have either of these, you will need to sign up for them. Once you have both accounts, start by logging into your Crypto.com account and navigating to the Accounts page. Here, you can view all the cryptocurrencies you hold on the platform. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Withdraw button next to it. You will then be asked to enter the wallet address of the recipient, which in this case is your Tangem wallet. To get the wallet address, open your Tangem wallet and navigate to the Receive page. Here, you will find the wallet address for the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Copy the wallet address and go back to your Crypto.com account. Paste the wallet address into the recipient address field and enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Make sure to double-check the wallet address to avoid sending your cryptocurrency to the wrong address. After entering the wallet address and amount, click on the Review button to review the transaction details. If everything is correct, click on the Confirm button to confirm the transaction. The transaction will then be processed and the cryptocurrency will be transferred to your Tangem wallet. It is also important to note that transaction fees apply when transferring cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Tangem wallet. These fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. Make sure to check the fees before confirming the transaction. In addition, make sure your Tangem wallet is set up to receive the cryptocurrency you are transferring. If your Tangem wallet is not set up to receive the cryptocurrency, the transaction will fail and you may lose your funds. Finally, keep in mind that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so make sure to double-check all the details before confirming the transaction. By following these steps, you can safely transfer your cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Tangem wallet.